Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Roblox email is confirmed and your account age and privacy settings allow photo changes. Once done, check the image file type and size so the system won't auto-reject it. Now sign into Roblox, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Developer sections to enable uploads. You do this first because permissions and file rules are the most common blockers. If you can upload from another device, try that now to isolate device-specific issues. You upload using Create or Avatar Editor and choose the right category so moderation applies correctly. Make sure your title and description are concise and avoid flagged words or trademarked names because automated filters read metadata too. Once uploaded, moderation runs. Expect about 10 to 30 minutes. While you wait, check notifications and the developer console for status codes or error messages. If it stalls, refresh the page and confirm you didn't exceed daily upload limits. This often causes silent failures. You finalize by addressing rejections. When an image fails, change the visual or wording slightly and resubmit. Small edits often clear automated filters. If uploads still fail, clear your browser cache or try another browser or the mobile app to rule out client issues. Finally, if nothing works, contact Roblox support and include a screenshot, the upload ID or time, and exact account details so they can trace moderation logs. That targeted info speeds up resolution when automation can't explain the block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.